Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a Rainbow High Series 1 Skyler Bradshaw to unbox today. I also have some DIYs I'd like to show you for Rainbow High dolls. Okay, 11 and a half minutes later and a whole lot of words you probably don't think I say, and she's out of the box. I love her denim outfit. These are pieces that I have had in my lifetime. I love denim. I have many denim skirts and jackets and tops and love it. I also love her second outfit. I am not a fan of her shoes, but that's not a problem because Darren has 3D printed some heels. Now these are not all taken care of. This is a stabilization piece and that gets clipped out. But for crafting, I'm not going to do that on this particular video. I did this when I opened Jade Hunter. You can see it there or in our Monster High videos. But I did make her some clothes I'd like to show you. A couple things I'd like to mention. I wish these dolls had waist articulation. To me, she's a little sideways the way she stands. And it's not just her hips. I think this doll is, maybe it is. The hair product, I've heard people talk about it on YouTube. Yeah, that's some glue. That is a lot of glue. That is a whole bunch of glue. I will comb or wash that out for sure. I have made her some outfits I'd like to show you. She came in these big clunky blue boots. They are translucent and they say blue on the side. I'm not a fan. So I made her a little pair of mules. I think they're cute, they're fun, a little more feminine. I did make her these little blue pants. I love these. They're that stretchy fabric, and this is how I did it. The first thing I did was make a pattern for my dolls. Now it looks a little wide, but you have to remember you want that to come halfway up the legs on either side. There are several ways to make pants patterns. This is the way I do it. You take at your hips and make the slant, bring it in to the size of the waist and where you want. See, I put the ankles down and then do my pattern from there. I took this up to the small of the waist, and of course when I put these on it won't go that high. This is stretchy fabric, so it has a lot of give. It's very forgiving. However, it's also hard to penetrate with a pin, and so my sewing machine and I have an agreement: hand sew it. I know she has red lace around her shirt that I made her, but I love these sequins. I just bought this fabric, and the blue turquoise colored lace that I had just didn't look right, so she's got red. That's okay. I have these items that I made for her. I must say, I love her outfit that she came with. These are all separates. They are made well. I'm very in awe of how cute they are. Look at this, that even folds up. What I don't like is you do have to take her hands off to remove this jacket. And her hands aren't on there very well. They aren't like the Blythe dolls where there's, this is just very thin and iffy to take these hands off and on. I bought this Barbie, or actually it was 1/6 size doll coat on AliExpress. It's very, very soft. And it's blue. I thought we'd try it on her. And then I made her a hat and a scarf. There's a piece of yarn hanging down because I haven't decided if I want to put a pom-pom on this or not. You'll see when it's on her. I love this coat and I love it on my Skyler Bradshaw. Love it, love it, love it. Cute, 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 cute. I made this little hat. I crocheted it. It's kind of sportier than this coat is. It's more for a jacket, but let's put it on her. Let's just see how it looks. Oh, came back up. Her hair with that product. Let me pull that down a little more. See, I can't decide if I want to put something on it like a little beret tab, or if I want a pom-pom, or if I want nothing. Can't decide. This doll is kind of twisted. I'll show you what I'm saying in a minute. Yeah, that hair is not going to let that sit down. But there she is with her hat and scarf, and I love the coat. Like I said, AliExpress, and try it under Blythe. Put the name Blythe in. I also bought this Barbie dress with the stars. I don't know if you've seen her earrings or not, but they are moon-shaped with little stars, little silver stars. Kind of matches. It's just a cheap little dress, but if you have a daughter or granddaughter or any children that are playing with this doll, they're going to want clothes, and it's just an inexpensive way to do it. Let me show you what I'm saying about her twisted body. If you look at her body and her head, at first I thought it was just the twist of her legs, like I had them over too far, because in the box she's kind of cocked sideways. But her body is made off to the right, if you can see that. Let me turn her head to the front so that you can't say, oh, it's the way her head is. It's not. Her body is cocked to the right. And I guess that's all good and fine, but also the joints they don't seat tight. There's definitely some quality control items, a long list. If you watch many of the unboxings on YouTube, there is a long list of quality control with these dolls right out of the box. I don't like that. That bothers me, and especially for the price. When you pay $27 for a doll that comes with 2 outfits, even though they're nice, you expect that doll to be a certain quality. And I don't know that these dolls are. I like them, make no mistake. I paid $17 for each of my Series 1's dolls. But if I paid $27, I don't know. So here she is out of the box on her stand, new shoes, new outfit. I like these dolls. I am concerned with how many flaws are coming out of boxes in reviews. Tell me below if your Rainbow High doll had flaws out of the box, or how you feel about them and the pricing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like.